can tell by the title, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. I know some people do some full makeup, but today I don't feel like doing a full makeup, so I'm doing a little bit of makeup, not too much. And let's get into the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And yeah, let's get started on the video. So I turn on like that. So I turn this light on right here. I need that light to like help me to do my makeup so I don't mess up. So yeah, I use this concealer called, like, you can barely see it, but it's from Maybelline, New York. And I'm almost out, but I'm gonna use it anyway. Since I'm almost out, I'm like rubbing it around. I put it all in the places that I need it. There's some places that look red. I also put some under my under eye. And this is what I look like when I have concealer on. And now I'm just like going to blend it in different areas because I don't feel like wearing foundation today, so not big as I don't feel like doing foundation today, so yeah. I also make sure I dab on my areas because I don't want any splotches, although I'm doing splotches anyway. But I also use this small beauty blender. It's much really easier to like get more concealer under your eye, and the big ones will like wipe off the rest. So yeah. I also do this part right here, like bring this up. Make sure I cover. I also do this to make sure I get all the around the eye area. That's what I look like with concealer on my face. So after that, okay. Sorry. After that, I put on powder, and I use this Revlon Candid powder. As you can see, I'm almost out of it, so I like swish around. All I do is put this in here and like swish around. And I put the powder in different areas. just want to make sure you blend in your powder into the concealer so you don't see any more splotchiness from the concealer. And people were like, oh my god, this is wearing a big thing of concealer. It's wearing way too much. So, yeah. Right after that, I do bronzer. And don't get mad at me, guys. I don't have a bronzer brush. All I have is this foundation brush. So I'm using this instead because I don't have one. I might if I'm going to get me one, but who cares? So I just use this and I go like this 2, 3 times or 4 times on it. Then I blow it off and like also go like this, get it off too. So I don't want to put on too much on and look like you look super tan. See? You look so much different when you look like this. Since I'm not putting on contour, I can put it in every spot. I tend to put bronzer under my lips because I think it makes like a shape. This makes my lips a little more color on the outside, and it kind of looks like my gives my lips a little more bigger. So right after that, I use this is the 2-in-1 contour and highlighter. This side has highlighter, this side has contour. But since I'm not using contour, I'm just using the highlighter on here. I dab right on the side of my cheeks and I put a little bit on the nose right here. After that, I use this fan brush and go like this. If you still have a little more left, I recommend pinching part of it like this and like grab a little bit to get the rest. And then right in the middle, we go like this too. More of the nose, we go like that. If it's still there, like I said before, on the cheeks, do the same thing I said before. Pinch it and like sweep. So right after that, I go in with this blush brush, and I use this blush, and as you can see so far, I use all of them. I've been using Chic, Sparks, Exhale, and Confession, and right now I've been using Shameless. So I'm gonna go with this brush into the Shameless and like go like that. Then I close it. Then I did do the same thing I had to do for that brush for the bronzer. So I do that and like go like this. And do the same thing on the other cheek. And that's enough blush. You know, sometimes it comes off off my cheeks or my face, and then I tend to like reapply. But it doesn't look like it's going to come off, so I'll do a little extra layer real quick. There we go. I'm almost done. I'm on the eyes. Then I'm going to go to, no, I'm going to go to my eyebrows next. I use this medium brown pomade thing. And I use this with it. I usually go like this. And then apply it on the eyebrow. Gently like this. On each eyebrow. Then I use this side to brush it out and like shape up my eyebrow real quick. Okay, that's done with the eyebrows. I'm going with this blending brush. I usually use this to blend in these, but since I'm not doing too much makeup, I'm going back to the bronzer. I'm gonna put some bronzer on my eyelid with this brush. So make sure I do the same thing. I usually don't do that, but I'm gonna go this way on both eyes. And make sure I get enough. I've been using this mascara for a while now. I think it's like super good. And it gives you a lot of volume for it. It's called Air Volume. It's a makeup mascara. It looks like this. I just open it and like go like that. I know some of you guys use fake eyelashes, but I prefer mascara. Although I do have a trick for mascara. I might show you. So basically, I would put one layer of mascara onto my eyelashes. Then I wait a little bit for it to dry. Then I do another layer. Then I wait for it to dry again. Then I do another layer. Hold on. Yeah, so sometimes the light on that goes off. Okay, so that was my first layer of mascara. So when I'm putting down mascara, I do a little bit of lipstick, or I'll do lip gloss, since I'm gonna go back out. Like, my mom's doing a few things for her shop in our garage. I might put on lipstick. I'm now trying to find a good color. Should I go with this one? I should have this one. Should I do one on matte? Got runaway matte. Let's see if it runaway matte looks good. What do you guys think of runaway matte? Comment below if you guys like runaway matte. Okay, that's it for makeup. Okay, gotta come back in and talk about a few more things. So this is the finished makeup look. What do you guys think? Feel free to be honest. I don't really care what you guys say. So yeah, guys, this is my full makeup tutorial. I know it's not much, but yeah. Make sure you guys also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat. Love you guys.